Hey guys, so this is my second attempt at this video because the last time, moments ago, I went to save it and it deleted everything. I couldn't believe it. So anyway, this is attempt number 2, so hopefully it goes a little bit smoother. This problem here, I'm giving you slope and the point, which is just like the first 3 problems in today's assignment, numbers 20, 24, and 25. In it, you're given slope and a point. So if you look at the board, you've got 3 options. There's slope intercept on the left, in the middle is point slope, and on the right is standard form. And what we're asking is for you to do standard form in the end. Your end result should be standard form, but we're giving you a point and a slope. So we're going to start with the middle equation, right? That point slope form, because you're given a point, 2, -4, and you have a slope. Do I have my pen checked? I'm going to get the thin. There we go. So now that's going to be y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. Ooh, ooh, yay. All right, so we plug things in. That y stays the same. The y1 is that minus 4. All right, so y minus -4, woo, joking, y minus -4 is really y plus 4 equals, slope is 5, x, and then the minus x1 would be minus 2. Okay? And now this right here, this is the slope-intercept form. Sorry, not true. That is the point-slope form. Right here, point, slope, form. Right? That's point-slope form. And now we want to move from point-slope form down to standard form, which in order to do that, we're going to have to use the distributive property. I'm going to change colors here. We'll go with black, right? So that's the point-slope form. Now we're going to go ahead and change it into the standard form, and we're going to start by the distributive property, 5x, and then 5 times -2 is that -10. Okay? And if you look on the board again ahead of you, you'll see to the right, standard form is that ax plus by equals c. And so what we want is to move the x over to the left with the y. In order to do that, we subtract 5x on both sides. Subtract 5x on both sides. Give myself a little bit more room here. Oh, look at that. Can I? Ooh, wicked. All right, and then back to my pencil. Boom. And what that gets us is -5x plus y, and then we have the plus 4 still on this side, equals -10. But we want to get rid of that 4, so we're going to subtract 4 on both sides. So you have the -5x plus y, y equals -10 minus 4 is -14. So that's your standard form right there, kiddos. Right there, you did it. -5 plus, that's a plus sign, I know you could totally tell, plus y equals -14. That right there is standard. Well, you get it, standard, because I ran out of room. Standard form, all right? You have point slope leads through the algebra down to standard form. Now from standard form, so if you look at like the last several problems I asked you to do, you're given standard form for those, and you're asked to find the slope, right? So here's standard form. So how do I go from that to finding the slope? Well, that's easy. I need to put it into slope-intercept form. I'm going to go back. I'm going to grab a different color even. We'll go green. Why not? All right. And in order to do that, you want y equals something. So we have to add 5x to both sides. Add the 5x. Add the 5x. So y equals 5x minus 14. And now you can see the slope of this line is 5, which I gave you at the top. But this would be how you would go from standard form to slope-intercept, and then you can easily see the slope there as 5. All right. So we've talked point-slope form, we've talked standard form, we've talked slope-intercept form, all right? And then the middle group of problems, instead of me just giving you the slope, m equals 5, I instead give you a couple coordinates, all right? And then from there, once you're given those two coordinates, you have to do the slope formula, which is y, oops, I need a pencil, which is that y2 minus y1, no wait, over x2 minus x1. Yikes, that's ugly up there, but you get the point, okay? And once you find the slope, then you just plug it in to the point slope form right here. Lots of information. I'm sorry, I've just kind of thrown that at you. Watch this a couple times if you need to. Pause it, rewind. But this gives you all the steps you would need in order to succeed in doing this, all right? I'm going to try to actually save this and export it now without it deleting. Wish me luck. If you're watching this, it worked. Okay, bye.